Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we are going to talk about passwordless authentication with magic links. So, this is nothing new, but still a lot of agencies and developers don't go for it. Let's see what it is and how it helps with accessibility. Why you need to ask for a one time password, whether you can validate just by an email itself. And here you might argue that we need to validate through email, so internet is a must. We need a good internet connection. So I agree with that. If you want to validate a user by verifying their email, then you can just send them a magic link or a one time login link to their registered email address. That way, they're going to enter the username and password, they get a link, or you can even avoid password itself. Like you ask them to enter the username or email address, send them a link. They're going to click the link, ta-da, and they are logging in. Thanks to Auth0, this image is, I take this image from Auth0 website. So here you can see a user enters the email address and Auth0 is going to verify it, whether the email address is found in the database or not. And it's going to send an email with a link. And user clicks the link and the link gets validated and user is logged in. So as simple as that. So you're going to eliminate one more level of entering the one-time password or another like any other authentication system that you want to use. So if you are debating over whether to use email or mobile one-time passwords versus magic links, always go for the magic links. You can choose platforms like Auth0 or a lot of other players in the market as well to use passwordless authentication. So here it goes. So here you can see a screenshot of how the email will look. Ride Finder is an application and it says sign in to Ride Finder link. So this is the magic link when the user is logging in with the magic links. Let's see how this works with WordPress with a quick example. So I spinned up a demo site. Here you can see the traditional or the standard username and password field. And you also see send me the login link. This is a free plugin. There are a lot of plugins out there in the WordPress repository and you can choose anything of your liking. So here I'm going to click send me the link and you have to type your username. I'm going to type something, full email that will be sent to the user once they enter their username or email address. So here it says hi, the username, and you can change the messages that you want. It differs based on the plugin. You can configure it the way you want. And if you are a developer, this is kind of a pretty simple functionality. You can create this on your own. So here is the email and it has the link and it also gives a link for the user. You can see the user ID and it has a login token and some other parameters as well. So once the user clicks on this and they are automatically will be logged in. So this shows that token is expired. So I have to generate a token again. But you get the point. Like this is how the magic links work. And this applies same to any application. It can be WordPress, Drupal, Laravel, or anything, any kind of web application, Python, Django, and the other frameworks as well. So instead of sending one-time passwords, consider using this type of passwordless authentication. If you are interested in learning more about this, let me know in the comments below. And also consider adding more ways to log in, like not just magic links, use biometrics, and also give them hardware tokens, like the pass keys stored in a hardware. So this helps the users. Let's say if someone is like they hurt their hand, like they cannot able to use their hand, so they could avoid using this thumb or biometric verification. Instead, they can use the magic link, or they could use the hardware token. So give the multiple options that helps the users to log in effectively and easily, and without compromising any security related stuff. I create more web development related topics, videos around this one. I'll see you in the next one.